want to have any dirt on me, bro. No one can fucking expose me because I don't give them shit. I'm secretive. I'm quiet. I don't tell everyone every move I make.
Like, oh, I'm a content creator. I do content. I do this, and me thinking content. The only content I know is YouTube.
Social media influencer Jack Doherty is once again at the center of controversy, and this time, the allegations are far more serious. Recent testimonies and leaked clips have surfaced online, suggesting troubling behavior within Doherty's so-called content agency. The story has quickly gained traction, sparking discussions across YouTube, TikTok, and Reddit about accountability in influencer culture. Jack Doherty built his reputation on high-energy content and an extravagant lifestyle. But over the past year, his name has been linked to multiple scandals, from questionable business practices to inappropriate relationships with younger creators. His former girlfriend, McKinley, has now shared new claims, revealing what she describes as a manipulative and exploitative environment behind the scenes. According to McKinley, when she first met Jack, she thought he was just another content creator working on YouTube or TikTok. She was later invited to what was called an influencer house, where multiple people lived and filmed together. However, once inside, she realized that the environment was not what it seemed. Some people allegedly knew she was only 16 but didn't speak up, assuming it wasn't a big deal. McKinley claims Doherty pressured her into signing a contract without legal guidance or parental consent. The document reportedly gave him control over her social media accounts, including platforms she had built herself. When she questioned the terms, Jack allegedly told her the contract meant nothing and convinced her to sign anyway. Moments later, she says he declared her to be his official girlfriend, blurring professional and personal boundaries. She further described being controlled in nearly every aspect of her life, from what to post and where to when she could eat or sleep. McKinley said the situation left her emotionally drained and struggling with stress and depression. These revelations come after months of online criticism toward Doherty. Earlier this year, he claimed he was robbed of a $300,000 diamond chain in Los Angeles. But several people, including McKinley, have since alleged the robbery was staged for publicity, something Doherty has repeatedly denied. The controversy has now shifted focus from viral pranks and lifestyle content to deeper questions about ethics, manipulation, and influencer accountability. Legal experts say that if McKinley's allegations are proven true, Doherty could face serious charges, including coercion, exploitation, and potentially federal offenses related to influencing minors for commercial gain. Penalties under these laws can reach up to 10 years or more in prison. Authorities have not confirmed any formal charges yet, but online pressure and calls for investigation are increasing rapidly. Meanwhile, discussions are growing around how influencer agencies operate and whether stricter protections are needed for young creators signing contracts online. As this story develops, more updates are expected in the coming weeks regarding Jack Doherty's legal standing. Until then, the situation serves as a reminder of how quickly fame and influence can turn into controversy, and how transparency remains essential in the digital age.